Hey guys, this is Tarun here from Minus Gateway. So today we'll be discussing about updating our rigs with the latest version of the Nvidia drivers. In this case, we are talking about 510.60 driver. As you guys are aware that the download times for these drivers are really slow while you're downloading it through Hive from the Hive repository. Instead, what we'll do is we'll look at another workaround where you can actually download these drivers quickly, and you should be able to get the latest version of the driver that will take care of one of your steps to get the driver faster. And the next thing would be to update the miner. If updating the miner, I have covered that in my previous video. I will be sure to link that somewhere here, and you can view that video for reference, and get the necessary information on the command that you need to run to update your miner, which will enable the 100% LHR unlock. In this case, let's take a look at this particular rig where I have 495.44 driver installed on my rig. Though I am not using any of the LHR cards here to mine, but the steps for updating the driver remains the same. So there are two ways of updating the driver. One is through the run command, where you can copy this link that I have. It is nothing but our command, the familiar command that we use to update our driver. It is Nvidia -driver-update. So you can run this link here and click on run, and it will start updating the driver. It will download it first and then update it. For this video purposes, what we will do is we'll actually log into a shell in the box and do it from there. Now if you look, I have logged into a shell in the box. What I need to do is I just need to copy this URL, right, with the command, and then paste from browser, paste it into the dialog box, click on OK and hit enter. So it will start downloading it. In my case, I have already downloaded it, and the package already exists. In your case, what will happen is you'll see a download screen that will come in, and once the package is downloaded, then you will actually come to the screen that you're seeing right now, where it will actually start the installation process, right? This is going to take a couple of minutes for it to complete. So if you look, it is going to uninstall the older version of the driver, and then it is going to begin installation of the Nvidia 510.60.02, right? So once that is done, you should be good to go. All you need to do is reboot the rig once, and then you should be able to, if you already have the miner in place, that's great. You'll be able to unlock your LHR cards with this driver version, and you are set to mine Ethereum at full hash rates. Guys, while this completes, I have a request. Please, if you like my content, please hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. You will be supporting me by doing so, and you will also motivate me. So this process is completed. So that's it, guys. So that is how you update the drivers. As mentioned, if you like what I do, please hit that like button, subscribe. You will actually motivate me in doing more content, and you will also be supporting me by doing so. That's all I have to showcase in this video. Until the next video, you guys take care, stay safe. I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye bye.